In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cinematic AI images using the Grok AI text-to-image generator. This powerful tool can transform your ideas into visually stunning art with just a few simple steps. So, let's dive right in and see how you can bring your creativity to life. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, you'll want to type Grok into the search bar. Grok is the platform we're going to use for our text-to-image generation. After entering Grok in the search bar, go ahead and hit Enter. You should see the Grok website among the top search results. Click on the Grok website link to navigate directly to their platform. Once you've arrived at the homepage of the Grok AI website, you'll see a clear and user-friendly interface. Here's where the fun begins. Look for the clip icon, which is typically used for uploading files. Click on this icon as it allows you to upload any reference image you might have. This step isn't mandatory, but providing a reference can give the AI a better idea of what you're aiming to achieve visually. Now, it's time to craft your prompt. This is where you'll tell the AI what kind of cinematic image you want to create. Be descriptive and specific. Think about the scene you wish to depict. Picture the mood, atmosphere, lighting, and subject. For instance, you might prompt the AI with something like a serene sunset over a quiet ocean, with dramatic lighting and vibrant colors that evoke a sense of tranquility and awe. Remember, the more detailed your prompt, the more likely you'll get a result that matches your vision. After you've finished writing your prompt, proceed by clicking the Submit button. This action sends your prompt to Grok AI's powerful servers, where the magic happens. The AI deeply processes your instructions and generates a cinematic image based on the details you provided. This might take a moment, so be patient during this process. And there you have it. With these steps, you've just created a cinematic AI image using the Grok AI text-to-image generator. Feel free to explore different prompts and reference images to see the range of possibilities this tool offers. Whether you're an artist looking to visualize concepts or someone just experimenting with AI technology, Grok AI opens a world of creative potential. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you liked it, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Until next time, keep exploring and creating.